I am now driving in the snow here in El Paso, Texas. So as you see here, a lot of accumulation, slushy road, and it's really white out there, and the roads are really slick, so everything is slow. So I'm giving you a rundown. This is the heaviest snow in Wichita Falls, and I never drove any condition like this one. So we're like in a Midwest state wherein there's a lot of snow here in El Paso, Texas. I mean Wichita Falls. So when you hear me say El Paso, Texas, it's really Wichita Falls. So you see here it's still under blizzard conditions. Visibility is really slow. So we're really slow moving right now here in El Paso, Texas. So you see the snow drifts. So today is already around 12 noon. The weather is really hard. I'll take a look at the people behind my back. Can hardly see the road. I'm going home to the house in Wichita Falls, Texas. It's Christmas Eve, 12 noon in El Paso, Texas. Right now. A lot of four-wheel drive. It's a good thing I'm driving the Ford Expedition four-wheel drive, or else if this is a rear wheel drive, I will be drifting like a Japanese car. See, I'm sliding if I don't take it easy. So I just came from the supermarket, and I don't think we'll ever go to Tito Bert because the snow is really thick. Going to Electra, I don't think the roads are open at all. See, if the ice is so thick you cannot drive on it, you will be sliding. Right now I am sliding. So even if it's a four-wheel drive, you will slide right now. So ladies and gentlemen who are watching this in the Philippines, you are lucky in the Philippines right now. So this is worse than a flood because we are boxed in right now. Okay, I'll sign off until I'm in the outskirts of the house. Bye bye.